In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pass contact property values with hidden form fields in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to capture important information behind the scenes, like source, campaign, or segment, without asking visitors to fill out extra fields. Start by opening your HubSpot trial guide. This is a quick way to jump into the tools you'll need. From there, open the top navigation and select More. In that expanded menu, choose Marketing and then click Forms. This takes you straight to your Forms dashboard where you can see every form you've created. Find the form you want to modify and click Edit. You'll land in the form editor where you can add or adjust fields. To add the field you want to hide, click the plus sign icon. This opens the panel for adding new elements to the form. In that panel, switch to Properties so you can work with contact properties. Here, locate the contact property whose value you want to pass through invisibly. Common examples include lifecycle stage, campaign tag, or a source node. If the property is already on your form, you can select it there. If not, add it from this list. Once the property is on your form, click Edit on that field to open its settings. In the field options, scroll to the bottom and click the hidden field icon. Turning this on makes the field invisible to visitors, while HubSpot still records its value when the form is submitted. Here's what happens next. If the contact is known to HubSpot, say they've visited before and are recognized, HubSpot can carry over the existing value for that property automatically. You can also pass values through the form's URL by including a parameter that matches the property's internal name, which is handy for tracking campaigns or pages. Either way, the visitor never sees the field, but the value is captured reliably. A few tips as you do this. Only hide fields that don't require visitor input. Hidden fields are best for context and tracking. Keep privacy in mind and avoid placing sensitive data in hidden fields. It's also a good idea to document which properties you've hidden so teammates understand how leads are being tagged. Finally, test your form. Open it in a private window, submit it as a new contact, and confirm the property value appears as expected on the contact record. That's it. You've turned a visible property into a hidden field, so HubSpot can pass contact property values discreetly.